Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just doing a really pretty glam look with a lot of glitter. I've been loving glitter lately, and I have been trying to do easier tutorials lately that aren't too crazy, too intense. You know, I was doing some crazy cut creases for a while, but I decided to start doing YouTube more often with simpler looks, and then I'll be getting a little bit more crazy here soon. But today we're just doing this really pretty glitter look. I'm using my MAC Painterly paint pot today for my eyeshadow base. And today I'm using this Say Fantastique palette from Rude Cosmetics. Look at the colors in this. I was so shook when I got it. I was like, oh my god, this is colorful. It's pretty. It's real pretty, guys. I'm first going in with the shade Jolie, I want to say. It's a really pretty yellow shade, and I'm using it as my transition color. I wanted to do a pretty warm type of glittery eye today. Oranges, you know, I've been doing reds and all that stuff because of Christmas, but now that Christmas is over, I'm gonna start transitioning into different colors. Now I'm going in with this orange shade, and I'm putting that right in the crease area and blending that up into the yellow. Pretty self-explanatory. And then I'm taking this Star Crushed Mineral Shadow. This is in the shade Anarchy. It's a red, and I'm just putting that right in the crease just to add a little bit more warmth. And I'm using a very tiny blending brush. This one's from Sigma. Now before I do the glitter, I'm going to go ahead and do my winged liner because it's hard to do liner over glitter. I have mentioned this before, so it's a little bit easier if you go in and do your wing liner first and then do the glitter above it. That way you don't have to do a really grainy, weird winged liner on top of glitter. For my glitter adhesive, I'm using this glitter shadow primer. This is from Glitter Realms Cosmetics. And this is a glitter from them as well. I forgot the shade, but I'll put it down in the description box with my product details. But I'm just applying the glitter primer on half my lid first, and then I'll go in and apply that just on that area. That way the whole lid doesn't dry down. And then I'll go ahead and add the glitter adhesive to the other half of the eye and continue putting the glitter on. And look at how stunning. I mean, their glitters are like poppin'. And they with the adhesive that they have, there's never any fallout. Like, I never have problem with fallout throughout the day. It's pretty crazy. I'm obsessed with their glitter. I'm going to take some makeup wipes and remove any of the red shadow that fell out or any glitter that did fall out while applying it. And then I'm going to go onto my face. I'm using my favorite Farsali Unicorn Essence today. It's my favorite primer of all time. It just makes your skin feel so smooth and amazing, and it smells so good. I just love it. And then to snatch those pores, I'm using my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm just putting that in the areas where I get oily and I tend to have larger pores at, which is my cheeks, my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. Yes, looking smooth. Then I'm going in with my Born This Way foundation from Too Faced. I'm in the shade Snow. You know, I have my days where I want to be like really pale, and then I have my days where I want to be a little bit more bronzy. It just depends, you know? Then I'm also going in with my Born This Way concealer in Snow as well. And to set everything, I'm using my Milk Translucent Powder. I'm in the shade Light, obviously, because I'm freaking pale. I'm setting my under eyes first, then going with my Milk Matte Baked Bronzing Stick. And I'm going to contour everything before setting the rest of my face. I use this in like every video. I'm literally obsessed with this thing. I'll probably be buying it again once I run out. It's the bomb. And then just to snatch my nose, I go in with a brush and just go along the edges there very lightly. Then I go ahead and set the rest of the face. I decided to use a brush to set the rest of it, and I actually really liked the way it looked compared to the Beauty Blender. You know, sometimes you just gotta switch it up. You can use a Beauty Blender for a few weeks, and then you're like, you know what, I'm gonna use a brush. Going in with my Sculpt Contour palette from Sigma, I'm gonna use the super fun fan brush from Mermaid Cosmetics. I am obsessed with this brush for contouring. It is so bomb. It just gives this like really pretty, light, feathery kind of contour. It's super easy to use. It's really thick, so it's not like a thin fan brush. And then I'm going to take some of my powder and just clean up those edges along my nose and along my cheeks. Using my Marc Blacquer Highliner, I'm going to tightline my upper lash line, and I'm also going to smoke out my lower lash line. We're going for a smokier look today. And first I'll just take a little brush and start blending out the edges of that eyeliner, and then I'm going to take that orange shade we used in our crease and keep blending that black out. And then I'm going to go in with the yellow with a fluffy brush and really smoke it out even more. For blush, I'm using my Sigma Aura powder in Pet Name. I love this blush. It's like a peachy color. Not too much color, you know, just a little bit. And then I'm going to blend in that powder that I used to clean up the edges there. And for my highlight today, I'm using my Rude Cosmetics Baked Highlighter. This is in Champagne Sparks. It is so pretty. It reminds me of the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. It's just really pretty. I use it for my inner corners of my eyes as well, and I also used it to fix up my nose highlight and my eyebrow bone. I go in and finish my eyeliner there on the inner corner and the outer edge as well. Sometimes foundation and powder gets on the eyeliner, so I gotta make sure it's nice and black still, you know? For mascara today, I'm using my Roller Lash from Benefit Cosmetics. I forgot how much I liked this mascara. Like, I used to use it all the time, and I stopped, and I'm like, why did I stop using this? It's good. And then I'm going in with my Exhibitionist lashes from Rude Cosmetics. They are really pretty. And then adding more mascara afterwards, just to blend everything. Ooh. Going in with my Flirt Huda Beauty Lip Contour Pencil, I'm going to line my lips first. I am doing like an orangey, kind of orangey color for my lips today. I'm using the Kat Von D Beauty Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Lolita 2. It's got an orangey tone to it, but for some reason after it sat on my lips for a minute, it kind of looks like corally almost. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. But that's the end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel to see the rest of my videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!